It just smells like smoke. I wouldn't touch it.
Clean though. Clean in the water and...
Homeless people get bad. Not bad.
Oh! Like commercial? Commercial with the cars?
She has a freaking window down and just got splashed. How smart is that?
You caught that?
Put your window up.
Yeah.
Put your window up, bro. You get splashed.
That's funny. That happened to me before too. Like I was walking and the car just went this boosh. I just got drenched.
Oh yeah, no. No, what's worse than in New York City, right? When I was standing in the middle of those streets, you know those streets that's in between, like, you know, two big roads. They were splashing me back and forth. I didn't know which way to dodge.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah. Damn, it's like a river down here.
Commercial.
Yeah.
That's melting, man. Let's wait till tomorrow.
Yeah. Look at all these broken trees too. Look at that.
You're good.
The tree is definitely blocked.
Yeah. Whoa, look at all those broken trees.
You see one broken tree, you see them all.
Look at this woman right there.
Standing right there. That's why.
Do you know you're in the middle of the